So an example of a pattern interrupt, let's say you're doing cold, because right now we're focusing a lot on cold calls. So right now you're doing a cold call, okay? Who would like to role play? Hannah, would you like to role play with me? Okay, good, thank you. So Hannah, you are the prospect, and I'm the salesperson. Okay, all right.
Yes.
So I am going to call you. Tell me, give me a reason, or give me an example. What am I calling Hannah to sell her?
A product. Which product?
Makeup.
Food.
No,
Yeah, makeup.
Fine. Okay. So it's funny. It's funny. I never sold makeup in my life, but okay, let's give that a shot. Wow.
By the way, are you married, Khaled?
No, I'm not.
I'm sorry?
Khaled, are you married?
No, not yet.
This is the reason.
Oh, probably. Because I don't know anything about makeup. So, Hannah.
Yes.
So, ring.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, Hannah?
Yes.
Hi, Hannah. This is Khaled.
Yes. How can I help you?
I hope I didn't catch you in a bad time, did I?
No, it's fine. You can go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Hannah, I'm a little bit uncomfortable making this call. Actually, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a sales call. But if you give me like 30 seconds or 60 seconds, I'll tell you why I'm calling. And then you can decide if you want to talk to me or not. Would that be okay with you?
Yeah, it's fine. You can go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay. That is an example of a pattern interrupt.
Yeah.
What that happened right now?
You identify the purpose of the call, and it is for sales, but I am not going to say.
But you got some positive feedback from the client, you know, that, okay, yes, go ahead.
But it's a 60 minutes, 60 second chance.
You give her the choice.
You took permission
All of
to
you
explain.
are correct. Hannah,
Yeah.
how did it feel? Curious.
Maybe because of my personality, I said to go ahead because I'm a little bit like shy to like let someone down. But
Okay.
I wasn't really interested in what you were gonna say.
Okay,
To be
because
honest.
maybe you don't, maybe you didn't even need makeup, or
Yeah.
maybe you don't even know me. But
you did not say what the purpose was, the call, what was it for?
Right. Good. But because I gave you only 1 minute, I'm assuming you would like be okay because it's not a big commitment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only 1 minute. So anybody can invest 1 minute. It's like, okay, sure. I'll give you 1 minute. It's okay. I'll give you a minute. Tell me why you're calling. And then I have a choice to don't even talk to you anymore. And that's okay. Everybody understand the concept behind it?
Yes.
That's called a pattern interrupt. What do salespeople do when they call you on the phone?
They introduce themselves first.
Yes, they have to introduce themselves first.
Speaking from this.
The first thing, this is blah 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 from blah 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 blah. I am calling you for, and even you not understand what his name or remember his name or his company name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually they give a special offer.
First.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Usually they give you in the beginning of the talk is a special offer.
Yes, all of the above. 1 minute. So the pattern interrupt, there's multiple. And notice I didn't call her Miss Hannah. How did I address her? Hannah.
Hannah, yeah. By her.
Hi, Hannah. Okay. And then I stopped. And she said, yes. And what did I say? Hi, Hannah, it's Khaled.
Yeah.
Who would speak like that? Would salespeople that people don't know each other, or friends talk like this? Friends talk like this.
Yes.
Hi, Hannah, it's Khaled. She doesn't know me, but in her head it's like, how many of you had people call you like, oh, hi, this is Khaled, but you're like I must know this person, but I'm embarrassed. I don't want to sound like I don't know this person. I'm just gonna go along with it. Anybody has done this besides me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. So Hannah, this is Khaled, and she's going ahead is like, I must know Khaled because he's talking to me like as a friend. So it's like, oh, hi, Khaled. See where this is going. It's like, hey, did I catch you in a bad time? Again, another pattern interrupt. See, notice, first pattern interrupt. Hi, Hannah. not Miss Hannah Al, whatever your last name is, like most salespeople do. The second pattern interrupt, hi, this is Khaled, not Khaled Al Jurdi, min sharikat, fearless transformation, nihna bna'mel, we do this, this, and that, like every salespeople do, right? No, this is Khaled, that's it, I stop because I'm a friend, okay? Step number 3 is, hey, I didn't catch you in a bad time, did I? Not, hey, did I catch you in a good time? There's a difference. Did I catch you in a good time? Or, hey, I didn't catch you in a bad time, did I? So you're gonna learn about this negative spinning. We're gonna talk about that later and the power of that and why we do it, okay? That's a third pattern interrupt, okay? Fourth pattern interrupt, hey, Hannah, to be honest with you, this is a sales call. You don't know me. I'm a little bit uncomfortable making it, but if you give me 60 seconds, I'll tell you why I'm calling, and then you can decide if you want to talk to me or not. Is that okay with you? Notice?
Yeah.
How am I coming across?
More negative, no, like.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I am not okay. I'm going negative, and then she would like feel compelled to rescue me in a way. It's like, it's okay, Khaled. Yeah, you can take 1 minute, right? It's all right. And I'm telling her, I'm telling her, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is a sales call. I'm not comfortable making it. We call this being disarmingly honest. Shiani, disarmingly honest. What does that mean?
This is submissive.
You're being submissive. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're being submissive. So pattern interrupt is step number 1. And how you do it is you want to be submissive. Okay. Unlike, it's the opposite of what traditional selling is. Look, remember, traditional selling, we call it spaghetti selling. Shani spaghetti, it's like macaroni, right?
Yeah.
Spaghetti selling. You throw enough spaghetti on the wall and something eventually is gonna stick. It's gonna stick for a little bit, but then it's gonna slide off the wall eventually. What we're doing here, we are completely doing it opposite what traditional selling is. And we start with a pattern interrupt.